Well, welcome back, YouTubers. As you can see, I've got the ladder out by the Grady white. We're getting started on it again. Gonna pull the front hatch cover off and finish working on the front two bulkheads under the floor, in the nose. Just my favorite thing to do. I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Well, crawled in the nose of the Grady white and made a template of the forward bulkhead. That's under the floor. It's right behind where the bowrider area ends. It goes underneath between the hull and the floor. So I'm gonna cut this out and coat it with some resin and then get it fitted into the boat. Okay, I got my first coat on. I'm using the Total Boat polyester resin along with MEKP, which is in the container beside it. And of course I put it in a little cup, used a small brush to prime the bulkhead on one side. Here's the bulkhead. What I've done is I've coated the edges. In this boat, this bulkhead is 3/4 inch plywood. So I primed this and I primed the edges. What I'll do is once this gets just sticky, I'll turn it over and do the other side, and then we'll put some 1708 on it. Progress so far. Okay, I'm down in the nose of the boat. I've got this bulkhead in. I've got to finish putting structural putty in the gaps. And then I need to tab it into the hull and to the sides of the boat, as well as the deck above. So that's the next task, is putty. And of course what I want to do is, when I fill the gaps, I want to create fillets, because I'm going to tab in with 1708. So that's where I'm at. I'll just keep working away at it day by day. Okay. I've got the bulkhead and the nose tabbed in. And I'm going to tell you, I've been kind of procrastinating a little bit. First thing is, when you tab this in, the styrene film stuck in this little enclosed place are terrible. Even with a mask on, it gets to your eyes. And the other one is the overhead. If you take a look at the top there, trying to get that to stick. Looking back on it, what I would have done is I should have mixed up a hot mixture, just a little amount of resin, and mixed it hot. I mean a full 2 cc per ounce, or not cc, but you know, 2%, and put it on there and let it set up and get real sticky, and then come back and do it so that it would hold the fiberglass. The top piece there kept on trying to droop down. The other one, these are all fairly easy. But so we've got the nose bulkhead put in on the boat. It's done. Okay, here's the next bulkhead that goes in right here. It's basically supports the front of the floor for the bow rider. This is the bow rider. And of course, here's the captain's console and the first mate's area right here. But so this will go in here, and I've got to take and put that in. But I kind of thought as you look at it about putting a hatch in this area. I mean, what if you need to get in there? I mean, if you take a look, the way back underneath the console are where the fuel lines go. And then of course I'm thinking, didn't touch these fuel lines in 40 years. Why would I think of getting in there? So actually I think I'd be better off just putting right there, put a hatch in the floor. And if I need to get in here, I've got the angle grinder and it comes out. So what the heck, I'm just gonna put the next thing to do is putting this bulkhead in. Okay, sitting here trying to fend off the mosquitoes. That kind of wraps up this episode. Sitting here watching the mosquitoes as they're lining up to dive bomb me. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please like and subscribe. And of course, I've got a parting thought for you.